gaining our peace. We were raised with bipolar disorder. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Enjoy the air. Hey you guys, your girl has finally made it here. Welcome to your girl's YouTube channel. I'm so excited and I am ready to see what this YouTube journey leads me to, and hopefully you guys will be following along as well to see how my channel grow, how I grow. And I'm very excited about starting my YouTube channel. I said that I'm just gonna go full force into it. No more procrastinating, no more putting it off, no more waiting. We're just gonna go full force into this thing and we're just gonna go ahead and get this started. So with all that being said, I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey you guys, it is Tuesday, August the 12th. It is currently 8:30. I have already dropped off the kids. So this morning I'm going for a walk, get my steps in, and I think this is going to be the time for me to fully introduce myself, tell you guys a little bit about myself, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. So with that being said, let's chat and go for a walk.
This what happened when I think about you. Back in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated.
So beautiful this morning, you guys. You got people out here walking their dogs. It is so nice. So I want to make this the time to fully introduce myself. For starters, my middle name is Renee, so you guys can just call me Renee. I'm 27. I just turned 27, July the 13th. Cancer babies. Comment down below if you are a Cancer baby and what's your birthday. I am a mom of 2. I have 2 girls. So technically I'm a mom of 4. I have 2 girls and I have 2 dogs. So they count as kids too. We're just gonna get a couple steps in this morning. Enjoy the air, the scenery. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, can you guys see it? The scenery is so nice. So my YouTube channel will be based on just my day-to-day life, things that I do throughout the day. Honestly, you probably can say I have a really boring life, but hey, I can just vlog it. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Here, I don't know if you can see it, but they're doing construction back there. So yeah, but yeah, so I will be chatting about mental health as well. 4 months ago, I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, anxiety, depression. If you have the slightest feeling that you need help, please reach out and get help. It is okay to seek for help. I was the type of person who just dealt with everything on my own, and it got to the point to where it was so overwhelming that I couldn't do it anymore, and I needed help. I knew that I needed help, and that's when I decided to seek for help. So now I have therapy every week. I love it. I'm able to go in, talk about how I feel, unfold things. I have unfolded so many traumas that I didn't even know that was there. It's hard, especially for African Americans. It is hard to do those type of things, just as simple because of how we were raised. We wasn't taught to go to therapy. So I'm here to say, if you feel you need help, get help. Go to therapy. Therapy is okay. It is 2025. We are working on our mental health, working on gaining our peace. You can't be there for someone else if you're not fully there for yourself. So when I started my therapy sessions, the first and main question that she asked me was, what do you like to do? What are things that interest you? I honestly couldn't answer that question because at that point I realized that I had wrapped my life around being a mom, being a girlfriend, and taking care of everyone else, to where I forgot that I needed to be there for myself. Task was to figure out what I wanted to do, who I want to be outside of being a mom and being a girlfriend. That's how I started making content. I started out on TikTok, and now I am branching out to YouTube. I'm very grateful for the journey that I am walking in right now. It's amazing. So I'm hoping that I can grow on this platform as well. But that is just a little bit about myself. So I'm going to finish this walk.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shawty, don't look this down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life for Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, waiting so right.
You guys, the water is so high. Like, look right, if you can see right here, right, that is a whole sitting area right here. The water has completely covered it. We've been getting rain for like 2 weeks straight. Look at that. Can you see it? Like, the water has completely covered it. Look how high that water is.
Never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back.
Just to show you guys, like, this water is crazy. Look, see, it's already coming up this way, right? Look at all of that. Look how that water is hitting that tree right there. That is crazy. You guys, your girl is drenching in sweat. So I do have my water. Oh my God. Okay. So it is currently 9:32. So I'm gonna head on home. So I will see you guys when I get home. All right, you guys, so your girl has made it home. I took a shower, of course, as you can tell. So probably just wanna watch a little bit of TV, relax. And I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. So if you have watched it all the way through, thank you so much. It's very appreciated. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.